Breast cancer affects 1 in 8 American women. It's a physical battle, but often an emotional and spiritual one as well. In today's Focus on Your Health, Teresa Snow shows us how a piece of furniture is helping women through their fight.
Focus on Your Health is sponsored by MU Healthcare.
After a mastectomy, patients often have surgical drains and restrictions on how much they can lift. Even everyday tasks like sitting and standing up can be difficult without the right kind of support. Amia Ferguson has spent a lot of time sitting, finding comfort in a special piece of furniture.
This chair lets you know that you're not alone. You can feel the love in the chair. That's what it is.
The chair even has a name, Wonder Woman, after the Amazonian princess who just happens to be Amia's inspiration.
She's a warrior, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm battling a war.
The war is stage 2 breast cancer, and every woman who's used this chair is battle tested. It's on loan to Amia free of charge through the Healing Chair, a nonprofit organization that delivers chairs to the homes of mastectomy patients.
Columbia needs this. It's such a center for medical care, and we just knew there were more people in this area that we could help.
The Columbia branch of the Healing Chair has 8 recliners like this one. They're motorized, allowing patients to stand without help and sleep upright after surgery. Nicole Nelson, a breast cancer surgeon at Columbia Surgical Associates and Ellis Fischel Cancer Center, felt so strongly about the program, she helped sponsor a chair.
It's stressful from a physical standpoint, but also from an emotional standpoint, and if there's something that we can offer to kind of help them, especially in that initial post-op recovery period, I think it's wonderful.
Each chair comes with a journal filled with messages of strength and support. They helped Amia reach a milestone she celebrated with the staff at Ellis Fischel Cancer Center. By turning her hair pink and ringing this bell, she marked the end of her treatment journey, sharing some inspiration for the fight. Joining me now is Dr. Nicole Nelson, a breast cancer surgeon at Columbia Surgical Associates and Ellis Fischel Cancer Center. You felt so strongly about the chair, you and a colleague actually bought it.
We did. Yeah, we knew there was a great need here in Columbia, and it was another way for us to be able to provide care outside of a clinical setting for our patients.
Tell me about the experience of actually delivering a chair to a patient. You've done that.
I have. It was really heartwarming. It was neat to be able to see them in a situation or a setting where they're comfortable. We see them a lot of times in a clinical scenario where they're nervous, and it was neat to be able to provide care in a different way.
How much is the chair? How much is the journal and the camaraderie?
I think it's almost about equal. You know, the chair is really where we initially saw the need. You know, these ladies have a lot of recovery after their surgery. You know, we give them restrictions. It's hard for them to be able to sit up and sometimes stand up on their own. But I think the journals become just as an important part with that kind of emotional support and just knowing that they're not alone and there are people that get through this.
Definitely. Thank you. That was a great service to bring to Mid-Missouri. Dr. Nicole Nelson. And with Focus on Your Health, I'm Teresa Snow.
Focus on Your Health has been sponsored by MU Healthcare.
Joe recaps our weather when the news continues.